Hey future homebuyers, are you ready to turn your home buying process from daunting into done? Let's dive in together. We start with a comprehensive planning session. We talk about what you want in a house. After all, it's going to be your home. We also discuss your budget and also explore all of your financing options. We'll cover down payments, closing costs, and make sure you are comfortable and well prepared financially. As your dedicated agent, I am here to simplify everything for you. I'll explain how agency works, detail my role, and explain how agents are compensated to ensure that there's full transparency from day one. Buying a home is a huge investment, perhaps the largest you'll ever make. That's why I focus on making sure that you make a well-informed and confident decision. I'm here to help you every step of the way, help you navigate the process, and give you peace of mind during the entire transaction. With negotiations, they can seem very overwhelming with over 30 points to consider when making your offer. But don't worry, I'll handle the tricky parts. I'll make sure that it's fully broken down for you, that you get the best possible deal. And it doesn't stop there. I manage over 90 tasks throughout the contract and throughout the transaction, including management of lenders and title companies to ensure that I get you to the closing table and we close smoothly in your new home. Ready to start that home buying process? Give me a call, shoot me a text, connect with me, and let's get that homeowner dream started for you today.